So what happens if they give us 2 points that are on the circle, but not the center or the radius? All right, so if we go to graph 4, -2, 4, -2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2, that point will be right there. -4, -6, if I go -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that point would be right there. And those would be 2 points on a diameter. So this line right here would be your diameter. Okay? But we want to write an equation of a circle, and the two things we need for a circle are the center and the radius. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find the center or the midpoint between these 2 points. So the midpoint formula is you add your two x's together and divide by 2, add your two y's together and divide by 2. So 4 plus -4 is 0, 0 divided by 2 is 0. -2 plus -6 is -8, -8 divided by -2 is -4. So my center would be 0, -4. And you can kind of look at that. I know my graph's not great, 1, 2, 3, 4. The center's about right there, which kind of makes sense. It kind of looks like it's in the middle of those 2 points. So that's the first thing I need. The next thing I need is the distance from the center to an endpoint. I need to figure out that distance right there. Okay, so how will I do that? Well, there's one of 2 options, all right? The first option is you can use the distance formula. But let's say you're not a big fan of the distance formula. Well, here's what you can do. You know this center is H and K. And you know both of these points represent all the points on the circle, okay? So they represent X and Y. So you can choose one of these 2 points. I'm going to choose this top one here. And I'm going to choose my H and K, so I'll make this X and Y. And you can plug those values in. So I've got 4 for X, -0 for H. I've got -2 for Y, -4 for K. And I'm going to simplify that to make it r equal to r squared. So 4 squared is 16. This is -2 plus 4, so that's going to be 2 squared, which is 4. So r squared is 20. I don't actually have to figure out my radius because my equation's not asking for the radius. It's asking for r squared. So I have the 2 bits of information that I need between these 2 right here. So my equation would be y -0 squared, or, excuse me, that's not y, come on man, about x -0 squared. Or you could just write x squared if you wanted to. That's no problem there, okay? Plus y plus 4 squared, because again, k is -4, so if I put a -4 in here, a negative makes it positive, is equal to 20. And there's our answer. Okay? That is the equation of the circle that would create that circle to happen. All right?